Syrian rebels shot down a regime fighter jet. The plane crashed in northern Syria. While the pilot was able to eject safely, he was captured after landing. Jabhat al-Nusra, Al-Qaeda's Syrian affiliate, claimed to have the pilot in its custody. Syria's state news agency claims the jet was shot down with a surface-to-air missile. It's pretty rare that rebels are able to shoot down any aircraft in Syria, mainly because they really don't have any access to anti-air weapons. For Newsy, I'm Jake Godin.